Jai Srimannarayana. 60th sloka of second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yatato hyapi kaunteya purushasya vipaschitaha इंद्रियाणि प्रमाधीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः. Om. Do not relax your effort for self-control. Do not fall victim to material sense enjoyment due to the agitated mind. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option for every one of us in the 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimannarayana, I shall constantly put my effort to bring my senses under my control. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Sriman Narayana asked Durvasa to go to Ambarisha, Durvasa immediately came to Ambarisha and Ambarisham Vupavritya Tatpado Dukkhito Grahit. Durvasa immediately fell on Ambarisha's feet, by which Ambarisha got suddenly shocked to see Durvasa Mahamuni holding his feet. He felt ashamed and immediately he felt so much compassionate upon Durvasa. And he started praying Sudarsana like this. He Sudarsana, Tvam Agnihi, Tvam Bhagavan Suryaha, Tvam Somaha, Tvam Jyotisham Patihi, Tvam Apaha, Tvam Kshitihi, Vyoma Vayuhu, Matra Indriyani Cha. Ho Sudarshana Chakrama, You are Agni, you are Sakshat Surya, you are Chandra, You are the master of Jyotirmandalam. Only because of you everything is getting their tejas. O Sudarshana, you are water, you are space, you are wind, you are air. All the things are under your control. You are all Indriyas. Sudarshana namastubhyam sahasrara achyuta priya sarva astraghatin vipraya swasti bhuya idaspate. O Sudarshana, you are the most beloved of Achyuta, Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana likes you very much, and you have that 1,000 aras. O Sudarshana, I bow to you, I do namaskaram to you. You are the one who can destroy all the weapons. Such, O Sudarshana, please bestow grace on this Durvasa. Like that, Ambarisha praying Sudarshana. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 60th sloka. Yatato khyapi kaunteya पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इंद्रियाणि प्रमादीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः. यततो ह्यपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इंद्रियाणि प्रमादीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.